So now everything's carved, I need to start staining and polishing. So I've mixed up some mahogany water stain, which gives me the colour I want. It just gives a slightly orangey tint to the walnut. I even carved a little leaf just to see whether it was a good match or not. And it's not bad. I'll start with the door. If it goes really wrong, it's not as hard to recarve that than everything else, so I'll just do that to start with. So what I've put on here is a little bit of button polish, which is thinned down quite a bit, a few coats of that. And then in with the button polish, I've then added a bit of walnut spirit stain, pigments, burnt umber and a vegetable black. And I've just brushed a coat of that on and then dabbed it off with the towel so that the highlights are lighter again, to try and get it to look like the other one on the other side. Not quite as rich, but it's close. It's close. I'll put some more button polish on top just to see if I can improve it a little bit. So I've put the same dark polish on the inside of the door as well, so it matches the other one. And they're not a bad match. So the next thing I'll do is stain up the rest of it. So now the stain's dried, I can start applying a few coats of button polish. So I've only put the button polish on the front, the main bits that are going to be polished. So now I'm going to add a bit of a very dark water stain, a lot of Van Dyke brown, a bit of black in it, and just coat the back. And just go around the front. So I'm just coating absolutely everything. But where it's got the button polish, it'll just wipe off. So after I put the dark polish on, I've given it a couple of coats of very thin button polish, and all I'm doing now is cutting back the shine off it a little bit with very fine wire wool. So now I've got it cut back, I'm just going to apply a little bit of wax polish, some tinted wax. Just scrub it in.